As you may have been experiencing, the latest Windows update has been causing crashes. And I'm about at my wit's end. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. First thing you want to do is type in your search updates, click on check for updates. This window will pop up. You're going to go to view update history. This window will pop up. Uninstall updates is the next thing you click on. And then you're going to go in here and select which update you're going to get rid of. Now, I've already uninstalled several updates from Windows, and I'm still experiencing crashes. I think maybe I've experienced some corruption in my operating system, but I'm going to continue to uninstall things until I stop experiencing crashes, because right now I can't afford to fresh install Windows onto my computer and wipe everything. I need to do a backup first, and I have some work to get done. So how you uninstall an update is you go to the update that you believe is causing your problem. You select it and hit uninstall here. It's going to take a few minutes for that to uninstall, and then it's going to ask you to restart your computer. Select the button Restart Now and go ahead and let your computer completely shut down and boot back up again, and then test your Serato or your Davinci Resolve or your Premiere and see if they are still experiencing crashes. If they're still experiencing crashes, if you still can't open your programs, then go ahead and uninstall another update in this list. The next thing I'm going to uninstall is Adobe Acrobat Reader. I'm going to go to Uninstall Program, Adobe Acrobat Reader, uninstall. I'm still having problems. So my next step is going to be go to the website of the program that I'm having trouble with and reinstall the program. So basically, I've been experiencing this for the last 2 or 3 weeks since I installed 1903. And yes, I should have Googled to see if anyone else was having problems with 1903. I didn't do that. I'm stupid. I shouldn't have done that. Always Google before you update your Windows. Make sure that there's no problems, and never, ever be the first one to update. Always wait at least 2 weeks, if not months, before you update. So now Davinci Resolve boots, and I'm not having crashes. Anyway, hope this helped. See ya.